My channel is called Building with Them, and so I'm showing you my Lego city. Do you know how if you have a village and there's a lot of bad guys who always need superheroes? What the important thing is they need a hideout. I've been having trouble with it, like I can build it, and then I keep doing the same thing, but I'm like, I need some secret walls, because I saw somebody do it and try to lift it up, and I watched them, but I'm like, that's too much of the stuff, like the sort of thing, and so I guess I'll build it my own way. And so, here, it's like one of my awesome crate buildings, and then I have another one, and so this is so cool. These are slides like a secret room. So it passes, and so let's see inside. Ooh, that's the Superman right there. Okay, and so I'm gonna show you where I keep all the gadgets. This is a fire gun, a blaster gun, battle range, and that thing we fall on. And then this right here is where you do computer stuff. What do you call, huh? That guy did this. What do you call, and then how I trying to put that over there. I just, wow, that's cool. Look at it. And so here, this is where they keep a lot of good stuff. Do the password. Beep, 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 beep. And the doors open automatically. And then there's a diamond, a gold thing, and a gold little round coin. And so, yeah, shut that, then you go through the door. So that's really cool. And then this is the Batmobile. If you watched my last video, like the one after this, I'm gonna try to make this cool car. Got to see it, like, so good. And so you gotta put Superman in it. It just has Batman sign, so Batman usually uses it. And so back up, beep, 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 back up here, go through. It's like the doors are set. I was just showing you. And then go out, or you could do this. Put it back, turns out. But I guess you have to go in before the bad guys in. There's bad guys? Hey, watch out, Charlie. And then, yeah, try to build this. Really cool. Send me a post if you build like a secret wall or like a secret base. Post to me, and so, yeah. And this is the end. See you later on my next video. La la la!